I saw an angel held back the flood until the sky fell. I see the future covered in roses, waves of gold as the door closes. I can hear the sirens.
You'd never
I can
hurt
hear
him.
the sirens.